Good morning. This is your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. Seeing some unsettled weather move through the area this morning, but we will see that start to move out of here as we get into the afternoon, and we'll see clear and seasonable conditions move into the area for the rest of the week. If we look at the current surface analysis, we have an area of low pressure just to the south with the boundary that is pushing into the area. That area of low pressure is going to lift off to the northeast, and the cold front further off to the west with high pressure behind it will push its way through and help clear things out of here as we get mainly by late morning, early afternoon, where we'll see a clearing trend. And again, high pressure comes in and dominates the area for most, if not all, of the work week, keeping things dry and seasonable. If we look at the current conditions, we have a broken deck around 500 feet and overcast at 3,300 feet. Seeing some light rain being observed out there. Winds light out of the northwest at 4 knots, temperature at 67 degrees. Relative humidity is at 93%. A quick look at the local radar, we could see the rain showers moving through the area. Very minimal lightning threat, but a non-zero threat nonetheless. But seeing most of the showers moving off the coast as well as mainly west and northwest of the area, we've kind of missed a bulk of the activity that has slid through this morning. But we'll continue with this chance of showers as we move through the morning hours. We'll start to see things diminish as we get towards the late morning and early afternoon. If we look at the current visible satellite as well as the composite radar on there, you can see starting to see some clearing, at least in the rain cover to the south, that will be moving into the area. We'll continue to see some clouds in the area. We'll see those start to break as we get into the later part of the afternoon. But it does look like we're going to see a end to the rain showers coming again as we were expecting late this morning, and then we'll see things become quite nice for the rest of the week. So if we look at the high res model for this morning to see how things play out, again, model showing it pushing out of here in just the next couple hours, but we'll see things more scattered in nature with a few lingering showers and a low chance of a thunderstorm as we get into the late morning, and then the first part of the afternoon we'll start to see things finally really clear out of here. We'll see some clouds around. Those will start to break as well as we go into the evening. We'll see some breezy conditions as that front pushes through this afternoon, so we'll see those wind gusts pick up. But overall, expecting dry conditions, and we'll see dry conditions through the evening with a clearing trend continuing, becoming mostly clear. Very slight chance of some patchy mist early morning on Tuesday, and then a dry day, seasonal day for Tuesday with just a slight breeze as we go throughout the day, and then we see that calm down going through the overnight and into Wednesday with another seasonable and dry day. So if we look at the 24-hour weather risk chart for today, we're starting off with a red risk for precip as we do see a precip out there and expecting that chance to continue. We have a yellow risk for lightning with just about a 20% chance of lightning this morning, and then we do have that orange risk for those reduced ceilings, seeing our ceilings at 500 feet, so can't rule out those dropping below 500 feet as we go through the morning. But as you can see, light rain showers around the area this morning, light northwest wind. We'll see that wind start to pick up as those rain showers start to diminish and the boundary starts pushing through the area, continuing out of the northwest, 9 to 14 knots, gusting up to 19. And as we get into the afternoon with a continued clearing trend, as we start to see those cloud breaks, we'll start to see higher gusts, and seeing those gusts up to around 22 knots. So we do have yellow risk for those winds at or above 25 knots. It looks as though we should stay below 25 knots, but can't rule out maybe a few breaking that threshold. But otherwise, as we get into the afternoon hours, we'll just have a very slight chance of a lingering rain shower or thunderstorm. It's looking to be about a 10% chance for the first part of the afternoon, and then again expecting that to diminish as we get to the later part of the afternoon. Going into the evening, we'll see things clearing, becoming mostly clear, and those winds lightening up out of the northwest at 4 to 9 knots, down to 3 to 8 knots to start the day on Tuesday with mostly sunny conditions, and again just that slight chance of some patchy mist before sunrise tomorrow. Tides are running normal at the moment as we look at the next couple of days, Tuesday into Wednesday, expecting very nice days, mostly sunny to partly cloudy, seasonable temperatures for this time of year, and green conditions across the board for our weather risk. Will that wrap up the 8:15 Daily Operations Weather Briefing? We'll be back again at 10 a.m. to take a look at the extended forecast. Enjoy your morning.